Shampoo for damaged hair. Dove Nutritive Solutions Intensive Repair Hair Strengthening Shampoo nourishes to repair the appearance of damaged hair. Repairing Shampoo for Hair Nourishment. This damage repair shampoo visibly repairs and progressively nourishes dry hair wash after wash, when used with intensive repair conditioner. Keratin Repair Actives. Enriched with our Keratin Repair Actives, this strengthening Dove shampoo for damaged hair cares for dry hair in need of repair by nourishing from deep within the hair cuticle. Dove Intensive Repair Dry Hair Shampoo tackles signs of damage from the hair's surface, while nourishing hair to withstand up to 90% of damage before it even happens versus a non-conditioner shampoo. Reduces hair breakage. Everyday styling can cause breakage to your hair, but our hair shampoo helps to protect you from further damage. Reinforcing your strands, it helps to give you healthy hair. Progressive hair nourishment with this hair shampoo. Suitable for everyday use, over time this shampoo for damaged hair gives progressive nourishment to improve its internal strength. Progressive nourishment. Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo, with Keratin Repair Actives, provides two-way care for instant and long-term results. The Dove difference. Dove has always drawn inspiration from real, diverse women. Celebrate real beauty, which we define as feeling and looking your best. Reduces hair breakage. Our intensive repair shampoo helps to protect hair from further damage by reinforcing each strand. Dove care goes beyond your hair. This shampoo is certified cruelty-free by PETA. Plus, the bottles are made from recycled plastics and are recyclable. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Exactly as described.